Hi all, it's just me, Wendy, with another unboxing. If you're new here, hi, glad you're here, subscribe, be awesome of you. If you're coming back again, thank you very much, I appreciate that as well. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Today's video is going to be a Boxycharm unboxing, as if you couldn't tell from the title. This is the box. If you don't know what it is, it's a $21 a month subscription service that sends 5 or 6 full-size items. It's my favorite box service. This is not my favorite box I've ever gotten, however. Yeah, I'm going to say a lot because I'm trying to formulate my thoughts as I go, so this is awesome. Anyways, $21 a month. Looks like a big box. It's not a big box. It's like under a pound weight. I don't know why people ask that. I don't even know where the hell it is now. It's like 0.93 or something. I don't know. But it was a light box this month. When you open it up, you'll see they pack everything usually very well. But a lot of people get messed up eyeshadows, and that happened to me this week, but not horribly. Besides the products, it also comes with this little tablet. It's a new style this month. It tells you all the products, how much they cost, where you get them, and that kind of thing. On the back, there is a 10% off Tarte code. I'm at Tarte.com. Code April Boxy will get you 10% off up until the 15th of May. So that's something, because Tarte's a little bit more on the expensive side. Now I'm going to talk about my most favorite thing out of the box first, because it works amazingly well. I was actually pretty shocked how well it did work. This is a Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. It is a 1.0 ounces of product. This is the full-size product, mind you. It retails for $47. Now, what it's supposed to do is clean your pores, which will help shrink them and all that junk. And I have really big pores on my nose. I have for like as long as I can remember. The first time I used it, they're not gone, but they had shrunk immensely. And then I used it again today. Same thing. They're even a little bit smaller than they were the other day. So this stuff is freaking amazing. I hate how much it costs though, but I may have to suck it up and go without something else and get this when it runs out, because it's really amazing. A few months ago, we had a foaming clay cleanser. I don't know if it's foaming or not, but it was a clay cleanser. Same line and all that. Really, really good too. But again, on the expensive side. Now for my stuff. We did get a product from the brow gal, Tanya Crooks. It's the instant brown, well, I got brown hair 02, tinted brow gel with microfibers. It's actually a pretty good color for me, which I'm surprised, because a lot of people, I watched their unboxings and they weren't too happy with the colors. Like somebody with really dark skin got really light, dark hair got really light fibers, and vice versa. I got very fortunate. I like it. I'm not overwhelmed by it. I don't see a ton of the microfiberage, but it is a nice tinted one. It helps make them look, your brows look a little bit thicker. I did also use my pencil and powder though, so I don't know what that tells you. But did I tell you how much this retails for? Probably not, because I like to ramble. It's $22. Would I spend $22 on this product? Absolutely not. A few months ago, however, actually probably like 6 months or so ago, we received a trio powder. Absolutely love that stuff. That's what I use every single time I do my brows, and that is really good, and I would pay $26 for that. I can't remember how much it was, but anyways, that is that. Next, I don't know if you care or not, because I surely don't. there is this packaging. It is the Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. Mine is in, what color was this one? In Exposed. This is the package. It's nice. I don't know how much of a glow you're going to see with my lighting, but it is a gold highlight, and I'm just kind of putting it there. Can you see? I mean, it's pretty, but I don't go for a lot of the golds. I'm very pale, so gold looks a little funky on me sometimes, and it's very glittery, and I have old lady skin. It's not supposed to be glittery, though. I don't know, but whatever. It retails for $29. This is probably going to go in my package for my niece. I'm going to try it another time or two to see whether I like it or not, but I'm not a huge fan of gold or liquid highlighters, so there's that. Now for the lipstick we got, it is called from Deist, I believe, and you'll see if you watch other Boxycharm videos, you will see people are not clear about the color because it is not marked on the little pamphlet thing, it's not marked on the tube, it's not marked on the box. Don't know what the hell they're thinking. It's a very pretty color. It's what I'm wearing right now. See here? It is not a matte, which I am grateful for. I mean, it retails for $24. I should probably tell you all that. It's cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and EU compliant, which is awesome. Like I said, it's not matte, which I like. It is not transfer resistant, though. One sip and yeah, and that's even after blotting a little bit. Speaking of, sorry. So if you don't like to have to reapply your makeup very often, you wouldn't like this. Otherwise, I really do like the color and how it feels. It's not really sticky or anything. I do not like this paddle thing, though. It's like really thin in the paddle. Not a huge fan of that, but it's not the end of the world. I'll probably wear this again because it is not matte. There we go. If I could spit the words out. But I wasn't thrilled for this because I have 20 other lipsticks the same friggin' color. Or close enough that it wouldn't make a difference. So I was kind of disappointed in that. There was a MAC lipstick in other boxes, and I was hoping I would get that, but no, couldn't happen. Now the last thing I've got here is ColourPop, which I was so excited to see that they were doing, because I've never tried ColourPop, and I was like, pretty stoked for it. They had 5 different ones. Everybody got something different. I'm not going to go over everything everybody got, but I got the, it's already dirty. I hate when that happens. Golden State of Mind. Now, when I received it, 2 of the colors were, those are the colors, were kind of crunched up and there was glitter all over the place, so I had to kind of try to fix them, which is, it's fine, because I'm not going to get a lot of use out of this palette, I can tell you that now. It retails for $26. I think it was the most expensive one out of the 5, if I'm not mistaken, because this has 15 colors. They usually come with 12, and those go for 18, I think? I'm not sure. So first of all, I have pretty much every one of these colors in a different palette. That's the first thing. Second thing, some of these are really creamy, but they're chunky. I don't know if you're going to be able to see my skin's showing through on that. I'm barely touching, which is nice. It's like, and you get, which is cool. But I don't know if you're going to be able to see how chunky it is. See, there's like buildup right there. And that happens for a bunch of the colors, and it was really kind of sad and depressing. And then some of them are so soft that the minute you touch them, they're out of the pan and you've kind of lost half your pan of shadow. Now that's just for that part of it. As for applying it, I have it on now. Yay. I had to use glitter primer and my finger because a brush isn't going to work alone. Brush with liquid, I mean, like, you know what I'm talking about. Oh, God, sorry. So much noise up there. I know. I apologize. The finishing sprays. Oh, my words just are not coming to me today. I don't know what the hell's going on. I tried it with this. Didn't stick. Very not colorful. Like, nothing was there. So I tried the glitter primer, and that worked. The colors stayed on there, and they're vibrant and all that, but there's a lot of fallout, especially without the glitter glue. There was a lot of fallout. Are these pretty colors? Sure. But like I said, I don't even know how many other palettes that have these same colors in them. The only one that I kind of don't have is this raspberry-ish color. And like these whites down here, but they're horrible. They're horrible. This gray, silver, whichever kind of color is so chunky, it's disgusting. And the white, I have that in the corners. And this other duochrome kind of white, you rub and you rub and you rub and you rub, and like almost nothing comes off. I know it's going to look like a lot in there, but it's not. You can see everything through it. Very chalky. And hard in the pan. It's super hard, so it's hard to get any color out. And now I'm kind of bummed about that one, because this is a white, purple, reflect kind of thing, which was pretty. But yeah, I'm really bummed about this palette. In all honesty, I'll probably never... It'll sit up there until special occasions when I want that raspberry color or the white for whatever reason. But that's everything I got in my box. So I'm going to try to add it really quick. I should have thought of that beforehand though, huh? Yeah. 56, 66, 76, 78. I don't know, over $100. I mean, the one product, the Dr. Brandt's alone is $47. So, I mean, even though I'm not thrilled about any of the other things, I still got a really good deal because, like I said, that is the full size. I went and checked. $47 is what it sells for. So they're not hyping it up in the box. So just that alone, I can't be pissed or anything. I'm just not as thrilled with the rest of the stuff. But again, if you only like the lipstick, you're paid $21 for the box, it's $24 for the lipstick. You know what I mean? Like, I've said it before in my other videos, if there's only one or two things that you like, it's not the end of the world because you're guaranteed pretty much to get your box price back. So that's nice. And it's like having Christmas or your birthday every month, which is also very nice. It's a lot of fun. As far as that stuff, that is all I use, but I figure I would just tell you real quick what I have on my face in case anybody cares. I paired the ColourPop stuff with the Pure Soiree Diaries, which we got in another subscription box from Boxycharm. For powder, I used my Maybelline Fit Me in, what color is this? I never can remember. Fair, because I'm fair. And the Airspun, yes, I know. I use two different powders depending on what I'm doing. Too much noise, I'm sorry. Get them out of the way so I can dig the rest of the stuff up. Foundation, I used my BH Cosmetics Liquid Foundation Naturally Flawless. And I don't know what color this is in. And wait, oh, it does have it here. 204 Natural Beige. Love that stuff. Concealers, I used my Shop Miss A AOA concealers. One's kind of to hide the dark eyes. It's a peachy color. And then one to do concealing with. Yada yada. Those are both $1, so that's friggin' awesome. Oh, I'm sorry. I need to put things out so they're more easily accessible. Let me see. For the glitter stuff, I use NYX Glitter Primer. e.l.f. has a really good one too that I use quite often. My eyeliner is Urban Decay Glide On Pencil. I got this either in Boxycharm or Ipsy, I can't remember. eye primer is I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base from Essence. Really good one. I like that a lot. For my brows, I used a MAC pencil that we got. I would swear it would be in Boxycharm, but it could have been an Ipsy. I can't remember. This is in Spiked. Love this one. I have a black one that I got from one of my boxes too that I really like. And this is the trio of color stuff I was talking about for your eyes. It's eyebrows from the Brow Gal. I broke my cover, but those are the 3 colors. So they're good for pretty much everybody. When my hair is a little bit more red, I use one color. When it's darker, I use the other colors. You know, it's just whatever. One more sip. I'm almost done, I swear. For my bronze and my blush, I use this Pure Trio. And I know we got this, and we had to get this in Boxycharm because it is a full size again. It's a bronze highlight and blush. You'd think it would be all kinds of shiny because there is a lot of shine to it. That's the bronze. But when you put it on, it doesn't have that reflect. I don't know what the deal is with that, but it's pretty. Lastly but not leastly, which I should have mentioned when I was doing the eye stuff, that this is Maybelline, just a black Maybelline. I use that for my waterline. I don't know how to explain this. I put the eyeliner on, and then I put this on top of it and push it up into the lashes so it has a better what? It fills it in a little bit better, and it helps the eyeliner to actually last longer, which is nice. I'm trying to think of what the hell I did with my mascara. I used the e.l.f. primer. This is Wendy being prepared. Best purchase for under $5 that I have ever made. I think it was like $4 or $3, something like that. Just like this, but it's a primer for your eyelashes, and it helps separate and lengthen. It lengthens really well. And I used the Tarteist from Tarte mascara. This came in a box. So, you know, if you're looking to build up a makeup stash like I have, or like some of these other people that have, the boxes are really the way to go. There's so many of them out there. If you're interested in Boxycharm, I'll put a link below. It's an affiliate link, so there's a heads up for that. I get a little bit of something if people purchase through me. It's not a lot. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, that's fine. Just go to boxycharm.com. And then, you know, there's other boxes like Ipsy and Lola Box and Sephora Play. And I mean, there's a million of them. I would search, if you want to get an idea on some of them, search for beauty box subscriptions in YouTube, or I'm going to also link down below, and I'll put it up here or up here. Whichever friggin' corner it shows to. I think it's this one. I'll put a little tag, but whatever. It'll be, I made a video with all the boxes that I know of or that were around at that time, and tell you how much they are and all that stuff. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video was quick enough for you. I don't know if you liked me telling you everything I wore or not. Leave any suggestions you have down below, what you'd like to see. I have an Ipsy coming any day now. I think it's coming tomorrow, so I'll make a video about that. Yeah. So please subscribe if you haven't already. Maybe I'll make some videos about my psycho bird. He knows what I'm talking about him. Anyway, I hope you all have a great day. Please like and subscribe. Again, why does he do that every time I say that? I don't know. He's crazy. Yeah, you're crazy. Until next time, see ya.